The Florida air was thick with anticipation. A palpable tension that seemed to cling to every molecule. It was July 23, 1999 at Kennedy Space Center, a place steeped in the history of human space exploration. The sun was barely peeking over the horizon, casting long shadows across Launch Complex 39B, where countless missions had begun their journey into the unknown. Standing bathed in the faint light was Space Shuttle Columbia, a majestic machine poised to pierce the heavens. Its sleek form a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. At the helm was Commander Eileen Collins, a woman about to make history as the first female shuttle commander. Her journey to this moment had been one of perseverance and determination. The countdown clock ticked relentlessly towards zero. Each second a heartbeat in the symphony of the launch. Every second vibrated with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. A delicate balance of hope and fear that defined the essence of space exploration. This was spaceflight, inherently risky, eternally daring. The stakes were always high, the rewards immeasurable. Inside the shuttle, the atmosphere was electric, charged with the energy of a team on the brink of a monumental achievement. Collins and her crew, Jeffrey Ashby, Catherine Cady Coleman, Steve Hawley, and Michel Tognini, were strapped into their seats. Their faces a mix of focus and anticipation. Years of training had prepared them for this moment, yet nothing could truly prepare them for the unknown. They had rehearsed every scenario, but the reality of space was always unpredictable. The roar of the engines ripped through the morning quiet as Columbia tore away from Earth. A thunderous declaration of human ambition. It was a moment of pure exhilaration, the culmination of countless dreams and sacrifices. The team in mission control erupted in cheers, their hard work and dedication paying off in that instant. But the celebration was short-lived. The euphoria quickly gave way to a creeping sense of dread. Danger lurked just around the corner, an ever-present shadow in the world of space exploration. The first sign of trouble came just seconds after liftoff. Alarms blared inside the cockpit, their shrill cries cutting through the controlled chaos. A fuel leak. The words hung in the air, heavy with the potential for catastrophe. The crew's training kicked in, their minds racing to assess and respond to the situation. The atmosphere inside the shuttle shifted from excitement to tension, the gravity of the situation sinking in. Collins and her crew exchanged glances, their faces etched with concern. Each member knew the risks, but facing them in real time was a different challenge altogether. This was not a drill. This was real. The fate of the mission. Their lives hung precariously in the balance. Every decision, every action would determine their survival. The high-stakes nature of space missions was never more apparent than in these moments. The crew's training, their instincts, and their teamwork would be put to the ultimate test. Back in mission control, the team worked under immense pressure, their intense focus on finding a solution. Engineers and scientists coordinated efforts, their expertise crucial in navigating the crisis. Despite the challenges, the mission continued. Columbia, a symbol of human resilience and determination, pressed on. Its journey a testament to the unyielding spirit of exploration. The crew's ability to work together, to problem solve under pressure, was a beacon of hope. Their teamwork, forged through years of training, was their greatest asset in the face of adversity. In the end, it was this unbreakable bond, this unwavering commitment to each other and their mission, that saw them through. The dawn of a near disaster became a story of triumph, a testament to the indomitable human spirit. The situation was critical. Liquid hydrogen, the volatile fuel that powered Columbia's three main engines, was escaping at an alarming rate. The leak was massive, threatening to starve the engines and send the shuttle plummeting back to Earth in a fiery catastrophe. The tension inside the cockpit was suffocating. Every crackle of static over the comm system, every flicker on the instrument panel sent chills down their spines. Collins, a seasoned pilot with nerves of steel, remained composed. She knew that panic would be their undoing. With her heart pounding in her chest, she calmly relayed the dire situation to Mission Control in Houston. "Houston, we have a problem." Her voice was steady, betraying no hint of the fear that gnawed at her insides. The response was immediate. A team of the brightest minds at NASA sprang into action, working feverishly to analyze the data streaming down from the stricken shuttle. The fuel leak was just the beginning of their troubles. The escaping hydrogen triggered a chain reaction, causing an electrical short in two of the shuttle's three main engine control systems. These systems were vital for controlling the powerful engines that propelled Columbia skyward. With two of the three systems down, the shuttle was in a precarious position. The fate of the mission and the lives of the 5 astronauts on board rested on the performance of a single, now overloaded engine control system. The crew's rigorous training kicked in, each astronaut performing their duties with precision and focus, despite the looming danger. Back on Earth, the engineers at Mission Control were racing against time, running simulations and brainstorming solutions to stabilize the shuttle. Collins's experience and leadership were crucial. She had been in tough situations before, but nothing quite like this. The team proposed a series of maneuvers to redistribute the remaining fuel and balance the shuttle's trajectory. It was a risky move, but it was their best shot at survival. The astronauts worked in unison, their movements synchronized, their minds focused on the task at hand. Slowly, the shuttle began to stabilize. The immediate danger seemed to be subsiding, but the mission was far from over. In Mission Control, there were sighs of relief, but the tension remained. They knew they had to stay vigilant. The crew continued to monitor the systems, ready to respond to any new issues that might arise. Collins's determination never wavered. She knew that every second counted, and she was prepared to do whatever it took to bring her crew home safely. The Columbia continued its journey, a testament to human ingenuity, bravery, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. This was more than just a mission. It was a symbol of what humanity could achieve when faced with the most daunting challenges. And so, the story of Columbia's perilous flight became a chapter in the annals of space exploration, a reminder of the dangers and the triumphs that come with reaching for the stars. As if the fuel leak and electrical failure weren't enough, another sinister problem was brewing. The crew was already on high alert, grappling with the immediate crises at hand, but little did they know, a more insidious threat was lurking in the shadows. Unbeknownst to the crew, a tiny, seemingly insignificant pin had come loose in engine number 2019, one of the shuttle's 3 main engines. This pin, though small, was a critical component in the intricate machinery of the shuttle. This pin, no bigger than a fingernail, played a crucial role in securing the engine's nozzle. Without it, the integrity of the engine was compromised, setting the stage for a potential catastrophe. Its absence, though seemingly minor, had the potential to spell disaster. The engine's design relied on every component working in perfect harmony, and the loose pin disrupted this delicate balance. The loose pin allowed the engine nozzle to vibrate excessively during the powerful thrust of liftoff. This vibration was not just a minor inconvenience, it was a serious threat to the shuttle's structural integrity. This vibration, far beyond the engine's design tolerances, caused damage to the nozzle's delicate lining. The lining, designed to withstand immense heat and pressure, was now compromised, increasing the risk of a catastrophic failure. The situation was akin to a car driving at high speed with a loose wheel, a recipe for disaster. Just as a loose wheel could cause a car to lose control, the loose pin threatened the stability of the entire shuttle. The damaged nozzle threatened to reduce engine efficiency or, in a worst-case scenario, cause a catastrophic engine failure. The crew, unaware of this hidden danger, continued their mission, oblivious to the ticking time bomb in their midst. The problems seemed to be multiplying with each passing second. Each new issue compounded the previous ones, creating a cascade of potential failures that could spell the end of the mission. The fuel leak, the electrical failure, the damaged engine nozzle. Any one of these issues could have spelled doom for the mission. Together, they created a perfect storm of challenges that tested the limits of the shuttle and its crew. Yet, Columbia continued its ascent, a testament to the ingenuity of its designers and the skill of the engineers who built her. Their meticulous planning and expertise had created a machine capable of withstanding incredible adversity. But the danger was far from over. The unresolved issues loomed large, casting a shadow over the mission's success. The crew had to remain vigilant, ready to tackle any new problems that might arise. The shuttle and its crew were still in for a bumpy ride. The journey ahead was fraught with uncertainty, and every second counted as they navigated the perilous path to their destination. The stakes had never been higher, and the outcome was anything but certain.